Hey, this is Matt at Custom Car Grills with a mesh installation video that was sent in from one of our customers. We didn't feel the need to remake it since he did such a good job, and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so this is installing a 991.2 custom car grills grill for a 911 GTS. And this is a 2019. And this is a big opening here, which doesn't protect the radiator at all. Fortunately, this slat is held in really securely with 3 screws, and that's what this will be secured to, and it'll sit right up against it. So this is nice and sturdy. And fortunately, the opening is big enough that you can actually take the grill and go in like this, and it doesn't take a whole lot of bending or maneuvering. See, now it's in like that. And then what you do is, there's like a little lip over here, and you just kind of set it underneath there, and then you work it in from the back, and you just kind of slowly, you can actually get your whole hand in here through this opening, and then you just kind of get the back in place, and then you slowly work it up, and then you slide this forward. And the thing about it is that this actually wedges in really good over here. It has a really secure fit. You keep that down, and it just takes a little bit of fiddling to get it. Let's see. There we go. Okay, and then you get it in the back, and then you just slowly slide it forward, and you can actually see over around here when it's far enough forward that it's in place, and then you just sort of work it up from the bottom. And there's a little lip right over here that it fits under it. Everything kind of like maneuvers into place, and you just do it slowly and it'll go. So finally it kind of holds itself in place, and then you just wedge it a little bit, slide it a little forward, and the front actually locks in. You can see how that is. That's not even held in with any ties yet, but that's like that, and it just kind of slips forward. You just slowly bring it forward, and this is all in good place now. Okay, so that's all set there. And then what I'm using are these cable ties, and I just use long ones because you can actually reach around to the inside, so the tie is on the inside and it won't be visible. And then if you come around with the camera here, you can see there's a little lip here that actually hides where the tie will be. So what you want to do is take the tie here, and you're going to thread it as far inside as you can. Okay, so I'm going to go all the way in here like that. Okay, and then you just go to the little hole, the hex hole right below the slat, so everything is really snug, and then you can fish it through there around it like that. And if you get like a long tie, it makes it a lot easier. Okay, now it's in like that, and then you can put this through that little, you can tie that down. And you have to do it with one hand, but it's not that hard to do it. You just have to line it up, and you can kind of fish it through and hold this steady. Okay, so now that's fished through. Okay. And you can hold this really snug here and just start pulling it down. And you can get this nice and snug up against there. Okay. Now the whole thing is in. Maybe 1 or 2 more clicks. Okay, and then this opening is so big you could even take these tin snips pretty easily and go in, and then just you can cut the tie really short like that. And I used these big ones because if you use a tiny one, then that little piece that you cut off gets lost in here and you can't find it. But the big one can't do that. And so you can take it out. And that's it. And I don't even have a tie over here, but it's very strong. It's not going to go in. It's kind of all wedged in the back here, so it can't go anywhere. But if someone wanted to, you know, put a tie over here, it's just going to be visible. But the tie over here is totally invisible. So the grill looks like it's made for the car. That was the installation on the left side, and it's really identical on the right side, except for one thing, which is that right over here is the outside air temperature probe, and the grill has to come up in front of it, so it sticks down. It's, you know, it's easy to see, but you need to get the grill on the outside of it and then slip it up from underneath. That's the only difference when you're installing on the right side. Everything else is identical.
All right, so there was the video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions about this product or any of our others, then feel free to contact us, and thanks for watching.